So in child development, per age, there is different assignments and different milestones that we need to go over. When we have a toddler, one of those assignments, one of those things that we need to work on is building blocks. Building a tower with the blocks. So it's building like this. And the other thing that we are looking at is how the child is taking the blocks. So we use those things as, this is part of one of the tools that we use in child development. The other thing is to see where the child is when we are in his language. For example, if we hold the block and we want to see if the child will just grab the block, try to pull our hand off, or will it say give or anything else. So we'll see their language development. Now, I want to talk to you about what is the difference between ABA, behavioral therapy, to play therapy in the way that we are talking about the same assignment, the same task. So, what we want to see is this. In behavioral therapy, the child is sitting where you are, so you're seeing the child. You are the child, sorry. And block. And I want to see if you will take block, take and put, take and put. Now you do it. Yeah, you can do it nicely, very nicely. Now, play therapy, I'm putting all the blocks and I see what the child is doing. So the child might do it automatically, like he knows how to do it, but is probably missing a step. The child might just do this. So in play therapy, what I would do, I will see where the child is. So for example, there are children, they are able to imitate by looking at the other person. They see that the child is, the parent or the caregiver is doing something, they are interested, and they will do the same. So if I do this next to him, he will just do it. He will see it and say something different. The other thing is that I will do it, the child sees it, and they want to do it by themselves. They try to copy, or they're trying to destroy it. But let's say that the child doesn't do it, and I want this floor time therapist or play therapy to teach them how to build a tower. So what do? I put something that will block the blocks. For example, I love to use notebook, and I just take one and put as many as I can. I start one, I give the child one, and I see where they put it, and most likely they will put it in one of those two sets. And then they will build a tower. Then I take from their set, if they did want another set, and then I move it. Then I say push, poof. And I taught them how to build a tower and how the word push and the meaning of it. So that's the difference. While ABA takes modality from the beginning, small to up, and in a way that is very 6 months, a year, we're using a global method that shows the kid to learn fast and learn from his experience. And a lot of researchers have found that when we do something by natural learning, the child learns faster. Think about that, and if you have any questions, write it on the comments.